Hello and welcome to History in 5 Minutes.
Today we'll discover the story of Karen Bass, the first woman elected as mayor of Los Angeles. Let's explore her inspiring journey.
Karen Bass was born in Los Angeles, California on October 3, 1953.
Growing up in LA, Karen learned about the importance of community service from an early age.
As a young person, she volunteered to help others, teaching her that leadership starts by caring deeply about people.
Karen Bass studied hard in school and went to college, becoming a physician assistant, helping people get healthy and staying healthy.
But Karen knew she wanted to do even more. She wanted to help entire communities become stronger, healthier, and safer.
So she decided to get involved in community organizing, which means bringing people together to solve problems.
In the 1990s, Karen founded an organization called Community Coalition.
Her goal was to help young people avoid drugs and violence by creating safe neighborhoods and improving schools.
Karen worked closely with community members, listening carefully to their needs and ideas.
Her dedication and hard work brought positive change to many neighbors.
Karen's passion for helping a community led her into politics.
She was elected to the California State Assembly in 2004, and just 4 years later, she became the first African-American woman to serve as Speaker of California State Assembly.
In this powerful role, Karen worked on laws to improve education, healthcare, and public safety across the entire state of California.
In 2010, Karen Bass was elected to the United States Congress, representing parts of Los Angeles.
As a Congresswoman, she continued fighting for fairness, equality, and improved health care.
She especially focused on helping foster children and protecting families facing challenges.
Then in 2022, Karen Bass made history again. She became the first woman and second African American ever elected as mayor of Los Angeles.
As mayor, Karen faced big challenges like homelessness and housing shortage, but she's known for bringing people together to find solutions.
Mayor Bass believes strongly that everyone deserves a safe place to live, good schools, and clean neighborhoods.
Karen Bass teaches us that leaders listen to their communities and never give up on improving people's lives.
Her story reminds us that anyone can make history if they work hard, stay dedicated, and care deeply about helping others.
Why is Karen Bass an important historical figure for Los Angeles?
Describe 2 important roles Karen Bass has held and explained how each helped communities.
Explain what communities organizing means using examples from Karen Bass' life described in the video.